Hi everyone! Sawadee ka! Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today I have a big treat for you guys as well as a big treat for myself. Today I will be doing a reaction video to Pic's new music video called Sorry, and it just dropped a couple of hours ago. I know that lots and lots of you guys have been waiting for this as well as me. So I'm so excited to watch it today, but make sure you go and click on the actual video so he gets his well-deserved views too. Just in case you guys are wondering, who is this girl doing a reaction video to Pic's new music video? Anybody that knows me know that I love all things Thai. I love the Thai entertainment industry. I love the Thai language, the culture, and so I have always kind of been updated on Thai entertainment, and especially with music. I took a break from the Thai entertainment industry a while back, but I really got back into it like in the mid-2000s. I never really left since then, and Pic was actually one of the first few artists that I really got into when I went back into Thai music. And so I kind of knew him from when he debuted way back then, and I was always been a really big fan of him, and for a long time I couldn't figure out why his career never took off, because he debuted around the same time that Be The Star, Ice and Off all started out, and if you guys follow the entertainment industry, you guys know how big their name is. Those names are in the entertainment industry in Thailand, and you know, for a long time I couldn't figure out why Pic's career just never took off, because he can sing, check, he can dance, check, he's handsome, check, and he makes good music. So for a long time I just could not figure out why his career was not taking off, and I know now that he has this newfound fame, and I'm so happy for him, and just so happy that he is finally getting the attention and the love and the appreciation that he truly deserves. Without further ado, let's head on over to the song, and the song is called Sorry in English, and in Thai I believe it's called Tho Ti Ao Da Jai. Tho Ti Ao Da Jai. And I'm not quite sure, with my very limited Thai, I believe that means like sorry for wanting things my way. I don't know, maybe I'm completely wrong, but for my Thai speakers, please let me know in the comments below. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm so ready to see this. Okay, and I know he likes R&B. I saw the teaser, and it is definitely R&B, so I am ready. Click. Ooh. It's really loud to hear myself. Ooh, there's a girl. I'm not saying, I'm just like jamming along. Oh, I see an E. Did I miss a letter in the first C? Oh, I love his style, so cute. Oh, is there a letter? Am I missing clues in this music video? Is it spelling something out? I just realized that you haven't been able to see the girl's face, her entire face, and she's covered her face again. Maybe I should do it too. You know what? Hey! I could totally see myself just in my car with windows down and just jamming along to this. This is like a perfect song for summer. It's oh, there's a C! Are they spelling out his name? That breakdown. This music video is just very visually stimulating. I mean, Pic is very handsome, the woman is really beautiful, but just the colors they use, the color combinations they use is just visually stimulating. I love it. Oh, his voice. till the day we die. Sorry, I ruined his good singing. I keep seeing, I see letters. I see letter E, it's letter C. Did I miss other letters in here? Are you spelling out your name? Ooh. I'm blushing because he's on the girl's lap. I think it's interesting that we don't get to see her face. Ah! Ah, the rock okay. Yeah, he is spelling his name. Okay, I see that. Oh, the P was really well hidden. Where's the K though, Peg? I see a P. The P's kind of abstract, so P. Oh, there it is! Yay! And my name starts with a K, so I'm all excited. Get it! Oh, it's so cute! Oh! Oh, he's just Lomaga. Oh, I like it. I love it. Ah, you know what? I love these type of songs because they just put you in such a good mood. I'm sorry if I was like fangirling so much. I'm like, you know what? I didn't expect to be blushing, Peg. What did you do to me? I really like it. Oh, I'm gonna have this on my Spotify. I'm gonna have this on my iTunes so that when I drive to work and drive to school, I can listen to it all day long. I love it. Oh, my heart is so happy. I'm so happy for him. Ah, this song makes me so happy. I can't, my brain, it's not processing white. It's not coming out. This song it's so him. It's so him. Okay, are you gonna come out with an album? Please do. I'll buy it for you. I actually have his first album, and I was trying so hard to find it for you guys because I was like, hey, I had this first album. I know they're like re-releasing his first album again, but it's you know, we moved a while. I wanted to say recently. We moved recently, but I'll be lying because we moved more than a year ago. But we still have a lot of the inboxes, so I don't know where the CD is. Actually, I didn't have the CD. I had the VCD. If you guys know what that means. I don't know if they make VCDs anymore, but they were like the karaoke versions of all the songs, and so I used to always sing along to them. And so I had that first one. Used to always see that first track on his song on his VCD. How did it go? It was a little bit like So I hope I didn't ruin that song for anyone, but oh, I love it so much. I'm gonna go back and listen to it. I can't wait to go back and listen to it. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for clicking the video and watching, and give me more suggestions for reaction videos if you guys enjoy this type of videos. And check out our other videos too. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the song. Also, what do you think of Peg and where his career is going right now. And I will be reading your comments or replying to your comments. And so until next time, everyone. See ya.